They move silently through the darkness, eyes reflecting the moonlight, hearts beating with ancient rhythm. To most, they're just wild predators, but to those who look closer, wolves are something far more mysterious. Stories whispered through generations speak of wolves not only as hunters of the living, but protectors from the unseen. It is said they can sense spirits, chase away evil, and even kill what humans fear but cannot see. Whether these are old legends or forgotten truths, no one really knows. But one thing is certain, wolves are not just animals. They're a mystery of nature. Within a pack, there is always structure, a deep-rooted system older than civilization itself. At the top stands the alpha wolf. Not a dictator, not a bully, but a respected leader. Unlike popular belief, the alpha does not lead with violence. Instead, it commands through presence, intelligence, and responsibility. The alpha ensures that the pack hunts in harmony, rests in peace, and survives with order. Even the strongest wolves submit not out of fear, but because they recognize the strength and experience of the leader. Discipline inside a wolf pack is not maintained by force, but by gestures, body language, and an unbreakable code of behavior. If a member steps out of line, the alpha may simply stare or growl in a low tone, and the other immediately understands. There's no chaos, only correction. And this discipline is not just for control, it is for survival. What makes wolves even more fascinating are the beliefs that surround them. Across cultures, they have been described as ghost hunters, guardians of the spiritual realm, and even shapeshifters. In ancient folklore, people believed that when wolves howl into the night, they are not just communicating with their pack, but warning unseen spirits to stay away. But perhaps the most mysterious claim of all is what happens when wolves are imprisoned by humans. Observers have reported that instead of simply pacing or resting, some wolves repeatedly walk in a pattern that forms the shape of an infinity symbol, 2 loops back and forth endlessly. This behavior has puzzled scientists and deepened the myth. Some believe it is a silent protest, a message that the wolf may be caged in body, but not in spirit. Unlike many animals, wolves refuse to accept slavery. There are many secrets about wolves that common people don't know. For example, they can cover over 50 miles in a single day without tiring. Their hearing is so sharp that they can detect the movement of a rabbit under thick snow. They form lifelong bonds, mourn their dead, and even adopt orphan pups. Wolves remember friends and enemies for years, and they pass down knowledge across generations through behavior. Despite centuries of hunting and fear-based propaganda, wolves have never lost their grace. They are not killers without purpose. They hunt to survive, not for sport. In fact, wolves help control animal populations and maintain balance in forests. Without wolves, ecosystems collapse. Where they're reintroduced, nature begins to heal. They are not monsters. They are architects of wilderness. In the end, the wolf is more than just an animal. It is a mirror of power, of resistance, of loyalty, and of spirit. We may never fully understand them, but perhaps that is the point. Some things in nature are not meant to be tamed, only respected. If you enjoyed this journey into the mysterious world of wolves, make sure to subscribe to our channel, Infinity Info Universe, for more mind-opening documentaries like this. Let us know in the comments what surprised you the most in this video, and if you've ever heard any other hidden facts or myths about wolves. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.